Some people ride waves. Some people ride with Rich TV Live. If you ride with your boy, you know you're winning. Congratulations to everybody on OPK, as predicted. Congratulations to everyone on Better Life, as predicted. Congratulations to everybody on NXO, as predicted. Now, on days where you take profit, those are the times when you need to thank your stock gods for your daily bread. Thank you, stock gods, for our daily bread. And we've had so much success. It's almost overwhelming when you think that we called Space and Space is on fire. We called Better Life Pharma's on fire. We called TNXP, they exploded. We called OPK, they exploded. It goes on and on and on and on and on. And I hope you took profits. I hope you locked in your profits. I really, really hope you locked in your profits. Did you lock in your profits? Because at the end of the day, you don't win until you lock in profits. So I just want to make sure you understand that nobody wins until they lock in profits. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make sure that the whole world is alerted about the fact that we're on a wave, riding a wave. We're riding a wave. It sounds like this. It's a wave. Trust me. I'm on the way. 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 Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm on the way. Need to get out of the way. You barely show up, but you gotta watch it die right off of the stage. What you want me to say? I'm not your friend, wanna make you to play. I'm not afraid, keeping it true until I'm in the grave. Start acting your age. I want your books so deep in the pain. The chapter man is coming away. I ain't say shit cause I'm in the case. Yo, who's replaced? Girl, when I lick, so I give her a taste. All the business, she go in the kitchen, she made me a cake. Goddamn, I'm the illest, yeah. Life bad, I'm a kiddish, yeah. Hit the track for a souvenir. Heard the friends, so I'm on the rear. Got the ball, it's crystal clear. Big shot, make it disappear. Big shot, make it disappear. I'm on the way. 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 Oh, yeah. Patty cake is a patty cake. Beat it up, it's a daddy date. Seeing twins like Mary Kate. Knock it out, I'm the heavyweight. Electrifying, death defying, mesmerizing, never lying. Beat the pussy up, paralyze it. Hot shit like a desert island. Whoa, I'm in the air like an Air Force. I'm on the way like a surfboard. How I'm bust my territory. Who got next? We getting better for it. It's a new, you a new school. Cry me a river like boo-hoo. Grab your girl, I'll grab the homies. We gon' run the train, choo-choo. She a dog like Blue's Clues. Peace out with a deuce. Flamethrower, I'm bulletproof. Put the shit down, you don't want to shoot. Little man, better be easy. It's slick, G-Easy. First lick, be easy. Moonwalk with a
I've been gone way too long. Now I'm back. Now I'm back. Now I'm back.
I'm on the way. 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 It's true, we're riding a wave. Wave up.
Been gone way too long. Now I'm back. Check something out here. So we're riding a wave, and we've been bringing winner after winner after winner after winner. So it never gets old. It never gets old. I want to make that very clear. Bringing winners never gets old. The more winners we bring, the more money we make, right? So it never gets old to bring winners. I promise you that. Promise you, it never gets old.
Promise you that. Promise.
Yeah, we have members of our trading academy that are just killing it right now, guys. It's unbelievable what some of those members are doing. We have a 7-figure earner on our team, soon to maybe be an 8-figure earner. We have a 6-figure earner on our team that started with very, very, very small accounts and have grown their accounts to just unreal levels, exponential levels. It's unbelievable. It's just totally unbelievable. I can't really believe kind of where we're at. Sometimes when I think about it, it just seems unreal. And to think that we're just getting started. That's the part that really boggles my mind. That we're literally just getting started. And the upside is so tremendous. To think that people are making residual incomes to build a trading academy, and people are making thousands of dollars a day trading, both in stocks and in Forex. And we haven't even touched gold and wow, BETR, let's go. BETR, let's go. OPK, let's go. NXO, let's go. Wow, look at the winners, guys. You gotta love it. You gotta love this. I'm loving this. Oh, BETR. Woo! I'm loving this. BETR. Let's go. We're doing this live and interactive right now, guys. Live and interactive. BETR is screaming up. Live and interactive. OPK up 24% at $6.16. I brought it to you guys at $4.60. Now it's $6.15. Totally screaming. Smoke show. Told you guys. I mean, these are our picks. We bring in winners, and then we bring them to you first. And we bring them to you before anybody else on the planet, and we're going to continue to bring them to you. OPK, NXO, BETR, all picks that we brought to you guys that have exploded today. And I just brought you guys these picks over the weekend. It's not like I brought you guys these picks a long time ago. So we got picks that are momentum trades. We got picks that are long-term plays. There's a lot of picks that we're trading right now. And the market is extremely volatile. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research. You invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best because the best is blessed. We are always investing in companies that we think are underappreciated, undervalued, underexposed. In my opinion, we are very good at finding these types of companies. That is what makes us, in my opinion, very unique, very special. So I'm going to continue to find you guys winners. We're going to continue to find you guys good picks. And man, we're going to just sit here and celebrate today. Because BETR, let's go. BETR, 258 right now. Let's go. I like this. This is exciting. This is exciting. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. I'm enjoying this right now. I'm enjoying this right now. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm having a good time. I love it when I bring picks and then they go up and I know people are earning money. That makes me so happy. And you know, to be able to win myself makes me happy too, right? So when I'm able to win and my members are able to win, and we're all winning. Hey, man, that's why we do this, right? That's why we do this. So it's crazy that I've been doing this for 3 years. And now we're at the point where we almost never lose. And still, when I bring picks, people still want to challenge me. They want to short my picks. They want to challenge my picks. They want to say that my picks are this and my picks are that. But at the end of the day, the results speak for themselves. Just take a look at NBEV as it is up. And I broke that news yesterday. It's currently up 37%. Take a look at OPK. It's up 23%. I brought you guys this pick at $4.70 just over the weekend. It's now at $6.08, up 23% after it was up yesterday. NXO, I brought you this pick, told you guys about this pick, and now they're up huge again today. After I sold it yesterday, up another 21% today. Wish I held it. And they're now over $1, hit a high of $1.08, now at $1.01. NXO, TNXP, brought you this pick too. I made a sale on that, was very excited about it. It went up after I sold it. It continued to go up, still another 10% today at $1.71, hit a high of $2.46 today. And the new one that I just recently got into, BETR, screaming up right now to 258, up 9.79%. And I brought you this pick, and it is up after I brought you this pick. So congratulations to all the members that have been able to take advantage of this move on Better Life. Okay. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why we're winning nonstop, but I promise you this. I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop. I promise you that. I will not stop. I will continue to bring winners. I will continue to bring winners. I have not bought MBEV on the news. I'm just waiting, looking at the chart, trying to identify a pattern. It went up. It's coming down right now. I want to kind of see this turn around before I consider positioning myself in this company right now. OPK right now at $6.11. We're going into the close. Space has been on fire today at $25.17, up 9%. And if we go and look at some of the trades that are happening in the market today, you can see the SPY is actually up 300 points. So the market's actually having a very good day today. Some of the big winners today, MTP up 151%, NOVN up 82%, OMI up 79%. And I always like to watch these stocks that move. Typically, excuse me. Excuse me. Typically, stocks that move one day might not be the next one that's going to move the next day. I always like to watch those patterns. So just because they go up today doesn't mean that they're going to go up tomorrow. And just because they went up yesterday doesn't mean they're going to go up today. So if you see something and it's on those alerts and it's on those lists daily, that's when you know it has ultimate momentum. Right? And one of the companies that's been on the list, the top list of winners daily lately, has been OPK. OPK has been on that list daily, just climbing and climbing and climbing and climbing. So I'm very happy that I was able to talk about it and that it's gone up after I talked about it. Hopefully it continues and any members that got in can continue to win. I have taken my profits. I don't know when I'll get into that again, if I will get into it again. But if I do, I'll definitely let you know. My day's going good, Brent. I sold OPK too soon. But hey, that's the markets, bro. You know what I mean? I feel that way almost every day, but I'm also making money every day. So you got to learn how to take the punches when you're in the markets. There's going to be good days. There's going to be bad days. There's going to be days that things don't go your way. But as long as you're winning and you continue to build your vault, continue to build your account, that's the most important thing. How has your Forex trading been going? Have you been winning on your Forex trading? BRQS. 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 Barks Technology. $1.46 up 18%. This looks good. This looks good, Brent. You buy this one? What'd you think about the news on New Age Beverage? Did you see the news on New Age Beverage? Learning and earning. Good work, buddy. I love it. I love it. And you're building your business. Congratulations on your success with your growth. So I just want to see more success stories, bro. That's why I do this, right? I do this every single day to just educate the people and help the people and give the people as much tools as I can so that they can be successful, right? At the end of the day, I can give you a fish and you can eat for a day, or I can teach you to fish and you can eat for a lifetime. I believe the Academy has made me 10 times the trader. I think I have more tools in my tool belt to be successful. And at the end of the day, that's what matters to me. You know, what matters to me the most is that I'm creating more success for myself and I'm helping others create success. That's what matters to me the most. That members like yourself and other members within the Academy are having success. That's what matters to me. I'm loving BETR, bro. Better life. BETR in Canada up 10%. BETRD up 7% in America. It's my new pick. I just entered into it. I'm already up. I'm loving it. I'm loving it right now. Just living in profits. I love when I'm living in profits, man. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. I love living in profits. And it's not always going to happen, right? So when it happens, you got to enjoy it, right? Because in the markets, you're not always living in profits. Sometimes things aren't going your way. Yes, sir. Look at yesterday. I mentioned it in the group. I see how much clout I get. Which one? BRQS? Bro, there's so many messages in the group, man. There's so many pics. I apologize I didn't look at BRQS. It's doing well. So many pics. And I never doubt you, bro. Believe me, I never doubt you. I bet you I even wrote down BRQS, but I got so much stuff going on in my head. So many pics that I'm watching every single day. It's hard to it's hard to keep track with it all. But I'm trying, you know? You just caught the Dow drop. Nice work. You're doing the US 30? Are you doing US 30? Oh, you bought them on my call out? Better Life Pharma? Volume is growing. Look at the volume grow. It just hit 261 cents and then someone sold off. And right now it's at 255, up 8.5%. But the volume is really growing. It's traded 200,000 shares now. I want to see the volume grow to 1 million shares a day. I want to see the volume grow to 1 million shares a day. Then I'll be very happy. Let's see this volume grow, because I just look at a company whose volume is just growing and the story is just getting out. Still early in my opinion, but who knows? Who am I, right? Who am I? BETR 263. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Let's go. I'm sharing it in the groups. This is good. I like this. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. Uh-oh, I'm loving it. Oh, it just dropped. Somebody just dropped some shares. It went from 263 down to 254. I'm watching this in real time. This thing is bouncing all over the place. This is crazy. I'm watching the 1 minute candles and they're just bouncing all over the place. It's wild. It's just wild. Better Life Pharma just getting out there. The volume is growing. The story is growing. And it's at $2.54. It just hit 263. I did bring you this pick. And since I brought you this pick, it's been screaming up ever since. And I did a video on it. And I'm going to continue to talk about the winners because that's what we do here. So we bring you the winners and we bring them to you first. Right? And then after they go up, I continue to show you the winner. Right? Until they will usually get shorted by the shorters, who are the evil people in the market. The shorters are those evil people in the market trying to take our money. All right? So they're going to go up, and then the shorters are going to try to take it down. So then what we got to do is we got to know what the shorters are doing. And then when they take it down, we got to wait. And then when it starts to go sideways and consolidate, and that's when companies are ready to put out news for another catalyst for an explosion up, that's when we buy our shares cheap and we squeeze the shorts like a lemon. That's how we trade. And that's how we win, baby. Nice work, Brent. Good work, buddy. You're killing it, man. That's what I love to see is people evolving and people winning. That's why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to help people win and help people evolve, right? And I'm not going to win every trade. I'm going to lose trades. I'm going to make mistakes. I've made mistakes. But I want to get better so that we can reduce the mistakes and we can reduce the exposure to mistakes. We can reduce our exposure to mistakes. That's the goal. And the only way we're going to do that is with training and having more tools, having more resources so that if the market goes down, we can make money down. If the market goes up, we can make money up. If gold is hot, we'll buy gold. If silver is hot, we'll buy silver. If cannabis stocks are hot, we'll buy cannabis stocks. If tech stocks are hot, we'll buy tech stocks. If nothing's hot, we can short the market. We can do all of that within our trading academy and within our trading accounts. And if you want to join the trading academy, I'll show you how you can do that with your trading account through the trading academy, doing Forex, or through your stock trading account, through a broker account, through like TD Bank or TD Ameritrade or E-Trade or Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, depending on where you are in the world. These are all different brokerage accounts you can set up. And I can show you guys how to do that if you join our trading academy. And that's what we do here. We help people evolve. BETRD just hit $1.90 in America. I'm on Webull watching the American one on one side of the chart and the Canadian one on the other. I love it. I love Webull. I got the American one on one side and I got the Canadian one on the other. Pretty wild. Watching these two go up. Just watching the Canadian one go up and the US one go up simultaneously. It's pretty wild. Now, the market is kind of losing a little steam right now, but if you guys see anything that's moving, please let me know. I'll definitely like to pull it up. But the one that I'm really watching right now is BETR in Canada, BETRD in America, having a nice day. NXO is another one that I've been watching that's having a really nice day, obviously up 22%. NBEV is up 38% on their big news, but it has come down. People are just taking it as an opportunity to sell. Bitcoin is up today. A lot of the stocks that were up yesterday, like ART, took it on the chin today. NTAR has dropped hard, guys. NTR has done a massive drop from like $10 to $4. So if you're looking to get into NTAR, you may want to position yourself $4 or less. Looks as though 391 was the bottom so far. Art is taking a huge dip. So if you wanted to get into art, I didn't get into art yet, but if you wanted to get into art, it's making a big dip. It's now at 64 cents, down 16% today, taking a huge dip after a huge run up. And that's why I always tell you guys, lock in profits, right? A lot of these stocks that are running up, a lot of times they can come back down because the shorters do live in the marketplace, especially with mid-cap, small-cap stocks. So a lot of times they're going to short them down. And then all we're doing at that point is we're waiting for them to stop shorting them and then for them to turn up. And then once they start turning up, all the company needs is a little news and you could see them rocket. And that's when you're going to see the short squeeze, where the shorts are then going to get squeezed and you're going to see the stock rocket back up. That's what happens in the markets. That's the function of the markets, guys. That is the function of the markets, to be honest with you. They just go up and down, and there's market makers making those markets, playing a game in the markets, going up and down. And what we're doing is we're just playing a game in the markets with them. We're not trying to outsmart them. We're just trying to play the game with them. And when they're buying, we're buying. And when they're selling, we're selling. We don't want to be selling when they're buying and buying when they're selling. We want to be buying when the market makers are buying, and we want to be selling when the market makers are selling. Do you feel me? We want to be a step ahead of the game. So that's why I try to find you guys underappreciated, undervalued, underexposed companies before anybody else, and companies that are on fire that are just screaming. These are the types of companies that I like because A, they're difficult to short. Shorts can get very badly exposed and squeezed. And B, we can make a ton of money, right? And at the end of the day, as investors, the name of the game for us is to make money. Yeah, the NXO. Yes, NXO's got a partnership with NVIDIA. NXO has a partnership with NVIDIA. It's crazy. So NXO is another stock that we definitely have to watch. And I just traded it. I got out, and then it went up again. So kind of hurts. But that's the markets, right? I always have an opportunity to get back in again. It's never too late, right? It's never too late to get back into the market again. It's never too late to get back into the market again. So we're just going to stay into the close, guys. And I'm watching the entire market right now. And if you see anything that's moving, please let me know. Please let me know. BETR just hit 264. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're talking. Yes. BETR just hit 264. Let's go. Yes. Oh, brother. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Let's just put this on Instagram. This is so exciting. You pick winners and they go up, guys. Honestly, that's the reason why I do this. That's why I do this, man. I can't explain to you the joy that I get when picks that I talk about go up. It's next level. Next level. Makes me want to sing. It makes me want to dance. And I'm making money. 265. Let's go. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. This is crazy. 265. Let's go. Let's go. 265. Let's go. Come on. Better Life Pharma, guys. We just live with it. I'm just live with it right now. We just going live with it. Live and interactive. All we do is bring you winners, right? So might as well just stay live and just talk about one of the winners that I just brought to you guys that now is exploding, right? This is the last pick I just brought to you guys, and it's exploding. You think it's going to $10, bro? To which one? Brent, which one's going to $10? NXO or Better Life? I know a lot of my picks I think are going to $10, but which one? This is crazy. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. Come on, Better Life Pharma. Let's go. Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Come on, Better Life Pharma. Let's go higher. I'm going to get a copyright for McDonald's? Why? Oh, because I'm saying I'm loving it. I didn't even catch on to your joke there, bro. Yeah, I think NXO could easily go to $10, bro. I agree with you. Kind of hurts me that I sold it. I'm just going to get into it again. It's still cheap. Still cheap. It just worried me when it started to slow down. I was like, what's going on here? Maybe it's slowing down. And boot up next day, ripped up again. So yeah, should have just stuck with it, man. It's like the one that got away. But we'll see, right? We'll see. I feel like that happens almost every day in the markets to me now. So when you're trading as many stocks as I am, you're talking about as many stocks as I am, you're flipping as many stocks as I am. It's almost like that happens now daily. So you get almost used to it. It doesn't even feel like a big deal anymore, to be honest with you. But I still think at $1, NXO is very, very exciting pick. I agree with you. I think for $1, NXO is a very exciting pick. Wow, the offer on Better Life Pharma is at $270 right now. Crazy. Something crazy is happening with that stock. Something very crazy is happening with that stock. I just got into that. I bought myself 2,000 shares. I'm already up 15%, $700 on that trade in one day. Just so you guys know. I'm loving this Better Life Pharma, bro, right now. Oh, it just went down to 250. It went from 265 to 250. People are taking profits. It's okay. Let them take their profits. I'm holding it right now. I ain't selling at that price. I feel like this story is just getting started. I'm not even worried about selling, but I'm going to watch, see what happens here. Because the US one just hit $1.94. So the US one is up 12% at $1.94. And then the Canadian one just dropped back down to 150. The Canadian one just dropped down to 250. Meanwhile, the US one is at 194. And the funny part was the Canadian one was at 264, up 9%, and the US one was down. Now the US one went up and the Canadian one down. And I think that's just somebody just sold some shares. And let's see if it just jumps right back up. Let's see if it just jumps right back up now. Wow. So the bid on Better Life is at 250 and the offer is at 265. There's a huge spread on the bid, guys. So if you guys are looking to buy Better Life Farm, and I'm not telling anyone to buy it, make sure you do it on the bid. Do not just hit it at market because there's a huge spread, 15-cent spread. So if you buy it at market, you're losing 15 cents right off the bat. I just want to let you guys know that because I'm not in the business of having people lose money, right? I want to make sure everybody understands that. I'm not in the business of having people lose money. I want to see you guys make money. So I'm not telling you to buy anything. Remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Do your own due diligence, do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about here. Guys, NXO is screaming up $1.04 now. up 25%. NXO flying. And the symbol in America is NXOPF, up 23%. Wow, BETRD now in America at $1.96, just screaming. And in Canada, BETR still at 250. Still at 250 in Canada, and in America at $1.96, up 13% in America, up 6% in Canada. Better Life Pharma. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best, because the best is blessed. We always try to bring you guys the best, the brightest companies, try to find the lowest prices, try to explain to you why we think things are hot, why they're not, why something could go up, maybe why they're going down. I think with a lot of the picks, you'll see that most of them are pretty resilient. So even if they go down because they're probably being shorted, they will most likely, usually if they're good companies, go up. Good companies will usually go up. We try to find you good companies, you know, and you can see that especially with the bigger companies, they're very resilient because the markets are extremely strong. So there's a lot of resilience in these markets because the markets are extremely strong right now. However, there's a lot of volatility and that creates risk. But in that risk can be massive reward for the best traders, for the real surgeons in the market. And what we do in our trading academy is teach you how to be a surgeon. You know, the whole goal in our trading academy is to teach you how to be a surgeon. That's hilarious, Brent. Hey, man, everyone's saying they got a cure for COVID-19, right? And that's all it takes to make the stock run these days. So if that's all it takes, then you put out a press release. And if you have a product that you can actually say, you know, legally, hey, I got a product that COVID could help with COVID-19, then that becomes extremely valuable these days, right? In a world where COVID-19 is in the headlines every day, if your company has a COVID-19 test, you know, that's headlines. Just like back in the day, if you're a cannabis stock, that was headlines. Just being a cannabis stock back in the day was headlines. Just being a cannabis stock, right? Just say you're in cannabis, your stock was going to explode, right? So there's hot sectors, and if you get into the right sector at the right time, you can make a killing. NBEV, the news was really big. The stock is up 43% right now. I haven't bought it. I don't want to chase it, but I definitely just watching it and very interested in that stock after their huge news of a $500 million potential merger with a huge conglomerate. NXOPF in America up 23%, NXO in Canada up 22%, OPK up 19%. I did bring you OPK. Better Life Pharma, BETRD in America up 9% right now, and Better Life in Canada up 6% right now at 250. It was screaming up. There's a huge discrepancy between the bid and the offer. So you definitely want to like walk that up on the bid. Interesting day in the market. Like the market is green, but some of the bigger companies that had really big days yesterday actually retracted today. So overall, a very interesting day in the market. Yeah, art. Yeah, bro. That's crazy, right? $40,000 US per year for unlimited holograms for art media. All right, Brent, I just wanted to go live while the market was closing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me, brother. Thank you everyone else for being here as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Better Life Pharma looks like it's closing at 249. Strong day for Better Life Pharma. And BETRD looks like it's closing up 13% at 195. Huge day for the American side. 249 up 5.96% on the Canadian side. Some selling coming in right at the close. People just taking profits. And look at NXO. Oh my goodness. NXO screaming to the close at $1.07, now up 28%. Congratulations to everybody on NXO. Monster close for NXO. Wow. Huge close for NXO. Market is now officially closed. The market is officially closed. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring you the winners, and we bring them to you first. And it's true. FOMO is real. If I see any good picks that you need to know for tomorrow, I'll let you guys know first. Thank you for your support. Peace.